If you've lost access to the email linked to your Ubisoft account, don't worry, you can still change it. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to update your Ubisoft email without having access to the old one, and the right way to get support to verify your account. First, open your browser and head to ubisoft.com. At the top of the page, click on the Help tab. If possible, try signing in from the top right corner. A login box will pop up, and if you can't get in, select Can't Log In. Ubisoft will give you a few automated options like, I forgot my password, or I can't access my email. Go through those steps first. They sometimes solve the issue right away. But if you still can't sign in, the next step is what actually allows you to change your email. Contacting Ubisoft support directly. Scroll down and look for Recover Your Account, open the article, and then scroll all the way to the bottom. You'll see, can't find what you're looking for? Click Contact Us. Now choose the category Account Management and Security, and you'll get a box asking you to describe your issue. Here's the exact type of message you can send. Hello, Ubisoft support. I no longer have access to the email address linked to my Ubisoft account, and I would like to update it to a new one. I can provide verification details such as my username, the old email, linked platforms, and proof of purchase if needed. Please help me change the email so I can regain full access. Thank you. After you send that, Ubisoft may ask for things like your username or gamertag, old email address, proof of purchase, or details about linked platforms like Xbox, PlayStation, or Switch. You can include these upfront or wait until they request them. Once they verify your identity, Ubisoft support will manually update your email to one you can access. Just keep in mind, you cannot change the email yourself if you can't access the old one. This is part of account security, and if you have two-step verification enabled, you'll need your Authenticator app or recovery codes as well. Finally, support responses usually take around 24 to 72 hours, depending on how many tickets they're handling. And that's it. A simple, secure way to change your Ubisoft email without access to the old one. If this helped you out, make sure to subscribe for more quick fixes and tech tips. Thanks for watching.